What our topic for this evening?
All right, thank you. I think this topic is really interesting for me because we have known together that Merdeka curriculum has just established by the Minister of Education Indonesia,
Right.
and it happens because we've got COVID-19 era that time. That's why the Minister of Education always think that we have to try to find the solutions because the moment for learning for the students is really far away. That's why we have to find the solutions. And in one side, we have to be positive that curriculum Merdeka is really helpful for the teacher and also for the students because in this moment, the teachers are persuaded to make a content that's really essential by using technology. Not only for the teacher but also the students. They have to think how to present the material by using the content or IT, and it's really useful for them.
Also, maybe we can have